Okay, so we're here now. And this is a canoe. I don't know if it's a type of government, or not government, sorry, public, is what I meant to say, canoe, but there's no paddles or anything. So yesterday I have some footage that I haven't been able to get to, but the water I see has risen. And let's see. These are basically the stairs that lead into the water. And this is the lake today. Now this is this Sultan River. No, I'm sorry, Skykomish River. Further down. And I do have a video yesterday of the sun setting for me standing here. And I'm going to have those videos played back to back with this one. Hopefully I can get them to mixture together. I'm not going to make any promises. But, so, that is the river part. It's gorgeous out today, guys. This is Nikki B and Sasha Baby RV Adventures, and we're on the river, and it is gorgeous. Hey guys, this is Nikki B here. Hold on, got a truck going by. This is Nikki B and Sasha's RV Adventures. Well, we had a screw up yesterday with some footage that I went hiking on, and somehow my computer will not download it. So, I have to do this all over again. So, I'm going to do a retake of this, and hopefully you guys, it'll work. So, I'm at 1,000 Trails here in Monroe, Washington. I'm only here for a couple of days, but I decided I was here for Mother's Day. It was awesome. It was gorgeous out. Everyone was out having a good time, and it was pretty good. So, I'm on my way today to Bobcat Trail. Now, this Bobcat Trail goes up and around and behind 1,000 Trails. Excuse me. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take a little adventure, and we are going to go to Bobcat Trails. And hopefully, it'll be nice. It was yesterday. So, I'm just now, if you guys can see, I'm passing the Red Barn. And the Red Barn is where the internet and a lot of the things happen here at Thousand Trails. And then, if we walk up further into the park, you can see a lot of the picnic area and stuff like that. So, sorry about that. The pool is open. People are in the pool today. I don't want to videotape them. I'm sure they'd be upset with that. So here we have, if you can see it right here, is a picture of the laundry facility here, which is pretty clean actually for a laundry facility. It's pretty good. And then over here, if you see, I'm coming up on it now, you're going to see, hold on, so I can do it now. There it is. Right there behind me. That building right there. That's where they have a lot of barbecues and stuff that they do. It's actually pretty good. Barbecue pit and stuff like that. So it's actually pretty nice. They have a golf course and it's a mini golf. It's actually pretty cool. So I'm about to go up this hiking hill here. So I'm going to reverse the camera so you guys can see basically what I'm seeing. Okay, and you guys are going to go on this nature hike with me as I'm talking, okay? So, oh yeah, once again, for all you YouTubers out there, I'm Nikki B and Sasha Baby RV Adventures. I'm going to be starting a blog here soon, probably tonight or tomorrow, for those of you who don't know me and who would like to have any questions about me or ask what you please. I'm an open book, basically. I warn you, I am a very straight out person. I hold no bars. So, just to let you know. Anyways, okay. So, we're going to go ahead and go up this road, and we're going to go on this adventure. So, guys, I'm here at the Red Barn. And the Red Barn, basically, is an entertainment place for the adults to come. Kids can come, and basically they got a ping pong table. That's really cool. And a place to have like a barquette. Oh wow. And they have a foosball table. I didn't know that. And a foosball. And so they have really nice vending machines. This is the Red Barn area. And it's pretty cool. It's basically, it's not the adult lodge, but it's the Red Barn. Okay guys, so we are going up this hill here. Whoa. I'm going to have you guys out in front of me. And there's a lot of, this is the hill that I went up yesterday. This trekking, this hill. But I think today we're going to come down it instead of going up it. And this is what they call Bobcat Hill Trails. Okay? We did that yesterday and the footage came back really bad. For some reason my computer would not download it. So, we're going to go we're going to take a different way today. But, as we come down the mountain, I will take Bobcat Trails. And, we'll go from there. It's beautiful out. Quiet. And I don't know if you guys can see, but this is a view of the park. Pretty cool. Okay. Sorry, I'm catching this. So, as we're approaching, they have this thing here that is basically picnic tables. Yeah, picnic tables. Wow, that's kind of cool. Alright guys, so now, as you can see, we're going to go up this hill here. It may not look like a hill to you, but it's a hill for me. I think they bring quads up here. Oh, Lord. Huh. Now, if you come around here, there's a trail that leads in that direction. 1,000 trails, but these trails aren't marked, which makes me kind of think, where do they go? So, we are going to take a little adventure on a side road. Okay, I'm not hiking up that hill. That's not going to happen. So, we are going to reverse and get back out to the main road. Well, I learned I can step in some poison ivy, right? Okay. So now we're back on the same road. So that's a trail, but there's no markings. And I'm not trying to take no trail that has no markings. Oh, here we go. This is called Cougar Ridge Trail. Let's see if I can get a better picture of that. Here we go. There it is. Cougar Ridge Trail. So, we are going to take that trail home, guys. But, let's see what we got up here. Feeling pretty good today. Like I said, I took this hike yesterday, and my footage, for some reason, got screwed up. So, I decided my body can exercise a little bit more, I guess, for you guys. Oh. Okay. I'm going to take a pause, and I'll be back.